Hey everyone, I'm backstage at Google Cloud Next. We just wrapped our spotlight on the Agentic Enterprise, where we explored how organizations are turning employees into directors of their own autonomous task force. Here are the top takeaways. First, we tackled the context wall. Agents need deep context to be truly effective, which is exactly why we announced Workspace Intelligence to power that unified understanding.
At Google, we're breaking through that wall by bringing together two critical pieces of the puzzle: your work context and your enterprise context.
Second, we're taking agentic automation far beyond quick tasks, scaling it to handle the complex multi-step workflows.
Today, we are introducing long-running agents that work autonomously for hours or even days to complete your most complex mission-critical tasks.
And third, working with AI is no longer a solo activity. It is now a collaborative, team-wide experience with projects in Gemini Enterprise.
This goes far beyond just bringing your team into an AI chat room. It's a dynamic, multiplayer workspace where your human experts and your agents actively co-create and get things done side by side.
And fourth, we are turning shadow AI into managed AI. As you scale this new workforce, you need absolute control.
With our agent platform, you have ultimate visibility, security, and governance over every agent in your ecosystem.
Those are just a few highlights, but there's a lot more to see, including deep dive demos and guest speakers from Compass and ServiceNow. If you missed it live, catch the full session on the Google Cloud Next website.